All right, so I just added some pre-cooked chicken. I added a can of cream of chicken with herbs, and then, cream of mushroom. Because I have more sauce in the cream of chicken with herbs, I'm gonna go back and take the chicken broth that I have here, and I'm gonna pour it back in here. And I'm going to just mix everything so it gets all good in here. We're not gonna waste anything today. Make sure that, ooh, perfect. All right, now we're just gonna mix. We're gonna mix this bad boy. Now, some people add about half a cup of milk. I am not, because why would you want this dish to be runny? And once you guys see, it'll make sense. The people who add milk, they clearly, honestly don't know how to cook. So, that's my personal preference, and you can like it or you cannot. And yeah, let's move forward, because this is how we are cooking this dish. Next up, I have some sharp cheddar cheese, finely shredded. I only take the fine and the best of the best in life, so we're gonna go over and do half a bag. All right, we're gonna mix this in as well. Now, you don't have to mix it in, but I am going to, because it kind of just melts and holds everything and brings it together. All right. Now that tastes good. Next up, I'm gonna add some parsley. I'm gonna season your chicken. Okay, this is moving way too slow for me. I got things to do, baby. Ooh, you see that color?
It's good.
That good color. Next up, I'm gonna add some garlic powder. We do a good hefty amount. Garlic actually helps keep the mosquitoes away. You didn't know. Next up, I'm gonna add some pink Himalayan salt. Like I said, the finest of the fine. I don't do that regular white table salt. Ugh. I'm using the rest of that. This is done. Next up, I have some Italian seasoning. I'm going to just take a little. All right. Next up, I'm gonna add some onion chopped. Shake it up. Period. And last but not least, for seasoning, I'm gonna add some black pepper. Fresh, baby. All right. Now you already know what we do in the kitchen. We mix, so you get all that good seasoning in every bite. You want everyone to taste the full amount of flavor in every bite. I already know this is gonna taste so good. Today, I am making it for a family at my church because they are in need, and I love giving back. My heart calls out for you. I love you guys. Next up, I have a bowl with a half a stick of butter. I'm going to add some cream style golden sweet corn. Just like that. We're gonna add one whole corn can. I have one purple egg. Gonna just crack that in there. I actually got that purple egg from Austria. Next up, I have Daisy sour cream. I actually milked this myself from a cow and whipped it. Yes, I put in that work. 1/3 cup of sour cream. Moo Daisy. I actually, yeah, we ate her for dinner too. But that's another video. Next up, I have Jiffy, a whole corn muffin mix. Now, you can say whatever you want about Jiffy, but let me tell you, these cheap bags come in clutch because it makes some good sweet cornbread. Oh, I'm gonna dump it just like that. All right, we're gonna mix everything up. Get that cornmeal. basically look like cornmeal to me. And mix everything good. Make sure you break up all those clumps. Put some mixture up in here. Now this is where you just add a little bit of 2% milk. Just like that. It's tasting good already. I'll lightly mix that in here. Nice. Bring it around the tip and just move it real nice and slow. Then you want to go hard and submerge the whole thing in there, not just the tip, everything. Yeah, just like that. You want to whip it really hard. Just like that, you guys. We're gonna mix this and put it over here. I just licked the tip of my finger and it had the sweetest cornbread ever. Alright, so you're gonna wanna gently mix your sweetest cornbread.
That is gonna be good though.
And make sure that all of the cornbread gets in all of the corners and covers the complete top. I'm gonna ram all of this.
I'll try a little bit.
Yeah, this is actually gonna look good. Oh, all right. We ain't wasting nothing. The cornbread raw already tastes good. I'm gonna make. Oh, hey. Oh, I'm choking. That's how sweet it was. All right, we're gonna hit this bad boy. I got the oven preset at 375. We're gonna cook this for about 30 minutes. Let's go. Oh my God, this looks so good. I am so excited. You hear that crunch, Ryan?
It looks good.
I am so ready for this. Let's just dive in.
Ooh, yeah, I got that corner piece right there.
Ooh. Man, oh man, oh man, I haven't cooked. Ooh. It is hot. It looks like I have to grab all this. Ooh.
Cornbread pot pie.
Cornbread pot pie. Now, I still have just a little bit remaining. I'm gonna go out and get a good scoop, kind of to cool down the pasta. Pasta. Where's my brain? Currently overwhelmed and tired, but here we are. Let's just go for it. And let's try it. I'm excited and nervous at the same time.
Good? Hot?
Oh my God. The texture of the moist cornbread and then the cold whip of the sour cream that meets with the cream of chicken and cream of mushroom chicken. So good. Wow, I'm actually really surprised. This is so bomb. I am so proud of this recipe. Yes!